And you know the pattern of the paper well? 20 marks objective and 30 marks subjective will be there. Okay, 4 questions of 2 marks each, 4 questions of 3 marks each. In the subjective, 1.5 hour you're going to get, and 2 questions of 5 marks each. That makes 30, and 20 marks objective you're going to get it. Clear?
Okay. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
it's the of the last lesson. Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you should be fast in answering, okay? Who is the author of the last lesson? Jane Austen, Rabindranath Tagore, none, Alfonso Daudet.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Okay.
Alfonso Daudet.
Alfonso Daudet was from. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, what does the last lesson symbolize? Loss of freedom, loss of language, or loss of language and freedom both?
Ma'am, lost of freedom and language.
Okay, very good. Loss of language and freedom both. Good. What does the last lesson signify? Change of power, change of government, change in life, or yeah, change of teachers?
Ma'am, change in life.
Not change in life. Change of power. Power change हो गई थी ना, government ही पूरी बदल गई थी. What do the marching soldiers under the windows represent? Listen to it. What do the marching soldiers under the windows represent? Dawn of Prussia in the defeat of French people, defeat of Prussia, victory of French, and none of these.
First one.
What will be the answer, beta? What do the marching? Huh?
Defeat of French.
Okay, good. The dawn of Prussia. Dawn is the morning time, means the rising time. Okay. So the Prussians, they had defeated the French, right? So it was the dawn
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Prussia. From where did the orders come to teach only German in the districts of Alsace and Lorraine? From France, from Lorraine, from Berlin, or from Germany?
Ma'am, from Berlin.
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 Okay. Why was France reluctant to go to school? Wanted to enjoy warm sunlight, wanted to see soldiers drill, wanted to enjoy outdoor. Their lesson on participles was not prepared.
Lesson
of participants.
Yeah, they did not do the homework of learning the rules of the participles. What did friends find on reaching the school? People dancing, school closed, police patrolling, or strange quietness?
Ma'am,
Strange quietness.
Who occupied the back benches in the class? The weak students, the teachers, the monitors of the class, or the village elders?
Ma'am, the village elders.
Very good, village elders. Why was French surprised? Because of village elders, because of police patrolling, because of students' behavior, or because of M. Hamill's kind and polite behavior?
Ma'am, option D. Last one.
Option D.
Option
Because of
D, and it could also be because of village elders who had occupied the back benches. Okay, it can be.
Yes, ma'am.
Options, yes. Why was Friends feeling regretful and sad? For reaching late, for not learning participles, for change of the government, or for not learning his mother tongue?
ma'am, for not learning
Ma'am, D.
mother tongue.
Option
Not learning participles.
Option D.
Ma'am, mother.
See, I'll repeat the option thing and answer. Why was Friends feeling regretful and sad? For reaching late, for not learning participles, for change of the government, or for not learning his mother tongue?
Ma'am, for
for
not
not learning
learning.
his mother tongue.
For
Not learning his mother tongue.
Whom did
Yes,
M.
ma'am.
Hamel blame for not sending students to school? Parents, friends, teachers, or watchmen?
Ma'am, parents.
Parents. What did Hauser bring? Sweets, children, friends, yeah, old primer.
Old
Old
primer.
All primers.
Yes, elementary books. What made friends forget M. Hamel's ruler and crankiness? Police patrolling, strange quietness, bustle on the streets. Yeah, the idea of his going away.
The idea of his going away.
Yes, very good. The idea of his going away. For how many years did M. Hamel serve the school? 20 years, 30 years, 35 years, or 40 years?
40 years.
40 years.
40 years.
Where did the parents send the children? School, coaching, farms and mills, or movies?
Ma'am, farms and mills.
Farms and
Good,
mills.
farms and mills. Why were the parents sending the children to the farms and mills? To play, to meet friends, to meet relatives, or to earn money?
To earn money.
To earn money. Why did the villagers come to meet M. Hamel in the school? To complain, to say goodbye, to gossip, or to show gratitude?
To show
gratitude.
Show
gratitude.
gratitude.
Good. Why did M. Hamel call the French language the most beautiful? Because it was the clearest and logical, because it was his native language, or because people were from France, or none of these?
Ma'am, clearest and most
Option A.
Yes,
logical.
because it was the
Logical.
clearest and logical languages. What was friends expected to be prepared for at school that day? Song, dance, essay writing, or participles?
Participles.
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 When people are enslaved, what key do they have to the prison according to M. Hamel? Their behavior, power, aggressiveness, or the mother tongue?
Ma'am, their mother tongue.
Pretext and
Mother
to
tongue.
the prison. Good, very good. What did friends notice that was unusual that day? Strange quietness, soldiers in the school, crowd in school, all of these.
All of these.
No, all of these. There were no soldiers, crowd in a school. ये कहाँ आ गया बेटा?
Ma'am, strange quietness.
Strange quietness.
Crowd.
ना? हाँ, strange quietness.
Yes, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं. What had been put up on the bulletin board? Teach only French, speak only English, teach only German, teach all these.
Ma'am, teach only German.
Yes, right. What changes did the order from Berlin cause in school that day? Hustle bustle, people were happy, teachers were sad, or strange quietness and sadness?
Ma'am,
Strange quietness and
strange
sadness.
quietness and sadness.
What changed friends' feelings about M. Hamel in school? Again, the same question is there. I'll not repeat it. What made friends and the people realize about the preciousness of the mother tongue? M. Hamel's words, school orders, sudden orders from Berlin, or school principal?
Ma'am, please repeat the last one.
Repeat question.
See, what made friends and other people realize about the preciousness of their mother tongue? Okay. M. Hamel words, or school orders, or sudden orders from Berlin, or school principal?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
option
sudden-
C.
Ma'am, sudden order from Berlin.
Yes, it was sudden orders from Berlin. Expression thunderclap in the lesson means loud but not clear, loud and clear, startling and unexpected, or unpleasant.
Ma'am, the last
Startling
option.
and
Starting.
Ma'am,
And
startling and
unexpected.
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 Option C.
Yes, option C. What did M. Hamel bring for his class on his last day in the school? New pens, new notebooks, sweets, yes, storybooks. Yes. What did he bring?
Some
for
new
his
copies.
new
Ma'am,
notebooks?
new
Now we
notebooks.
can see, okay. They all were busy writing, and it looked like as if little flags hung on the rods were there in the room. The last lesson story was written in which year? 69, 70, 1869 or 1870, 1870 to 71 or 72 to 73 or 70 to 72. Yes.
Ma'am, 70 to 71.
Yes, 72, 71. Don't go so fast. You'll get to your school in plenty of time. This means getting late, very early, not early, or easily enough.
Ma'am, not
Getting-
early.
Getting it.
Means easily enough. Okay? Not early, no, easily enough. What was there in front of the bulletin board? Children, police, hawkers, or a crowd?
Ma'am, crowd.
Crowd. What bad news used to come from the bulletin board? Lost battles, the draft, orders of the commanding officer, all of these.
Ma'am, all of these.
All of
All of
these.
All of these.
Which language would the students study from the next day? English, German, Dutch, or Spanish?
Ma'am, German.
German.
Good. What does the expression in great dread of scolding means? To be happy, very badly scared of scolding, to be indifferent, or none of these? What does the expression in great dread of scolding means? He was in great dread, in great fear of scolding. क्या मतलब है? To be happy about it, or very badly scared of scolding, या to be indifferent, या none of these?
Ma'am, option B.
B, yes. Great dread of scolding means he was
Yes,
in
ma'am.
fear of badly being scolded. Why was French shocked to see M. Hamel? Because of his formal dress, because he gave sweets, because he had a flower in his hand, or all of these?
Option
Ma'am,
A.
all of these.
No.
All of these.
When did he give sweets?
A1.
Anushka? When did he
Yes,
give
ma'am.
sweets?
Ma'am, but he had flowers.
No, he did not have flowers. He did not have. कहाँ थे बेटे फ्लावर्स कहाँ थे उसके पास? स्वीट्स भी नहीं थी, तुमने खाई थी स्वीट?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, ऐसी flowers की line थी तो maybe I
नहीं नहीं, फ्लावर्स
misunderstood.
की लाइन नहीं थी. Whenever he was not in the mood of teaching, he used to ask his students to water the plants. Okay, ये था, ठीक है? So because of his formal
ma'am.
dress, you know, he was wearing a green coat and a frilled shirt, and the embroidered cap he was wearing that he usually
Yes,
wore on
ma'am.
inspection and annual days. ठीक है
Yes,
बेटा?
ma'am. Annual days.
हाँ. What attitude of M. Hamel surprised friends? Soft and kind, rude, firm and strict, या none of these? कौन सा
Soft and kind.
Good. Who was M. Hamel? ये तो मालूम ही है. Spy, language teacher, soldier, school principal. कौन था वो?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Who was M. Hamel? A spy, or a language teacher, or a soldier, or a school principal?
A language teacher.
Language
Ma'am,
Yes,
teacher.
he
language
was a
teacher.
language teacher. Got it? Now
Yes,
next,
ma'am.
next chapter. Which will be the next you want to revise?
Ma'am, lost spring.
Lost spring. He is content to dream of cars. Who is he being talked about? Sahib, Sahukars, Mukesh, or the politician?
Sahib.
Sahib. Sahib? No, Mukesh.
Ma'am, Mukesh.
He is content
Mukesh.
to dream of cars. 1 minute. Yes. Who will be hauled up by the police if they try to get organized? The old citizens, the owners of the factories, the group of young men, or Mukesh's family? Who will be hauled up by the police if they try to get organized, if they try to make a cooperative? Who will be hauled up? Who will be caught and beaten up by the police? Remember, the old
Ma'am,
citizens,
option.
the old
Ma'am, please
citizens.
repeat.
I'm repeating, the old citizens, the owners of the factories, the group of young men, or Mukesh's family?
Ma'am, Mukesh's family.
No, beta, group of young men. When Annie's young, she sees a group of young men who were standing there. She talks to them and just advises them. And she puts up a question that why don't you organize yourself into a cooperative?
Yes, ma'am, into a
Okay, then they
cooperative.
say ki in case even if we get organized, we will be the ones who would be hauled up by the police, who would be caught and beaten up by the police for doing something illegal, isn't it? So it was said by the group of young men. She has not enjoyed a full meal in her entire lifetime. Who is she in the given sentence? Elderly woman sitting close to Savita, Mukesh's sister-in-law, Mukesh's mother, or Mukesh's grandmother?
Ma'am, Mukesh's grandmother.
No, beta, elderly woman sitting close to Savita. है ना, जिसने कहा था एक वक्त पेट भर खाना भी नहीं खाया. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
She did not even enjoy a full meal in her entire lifetime. Okay, this was
Yes,
spoken
ma'am.
by the elderly woman who was sitting next to Savita. Savita, a young girl, is seen by the author stitching clothes, washing clothes, soldering pieces of glass, or embroidering a sheet.
Okay, ma'am.
What will be the option?
Ma'am,
Savita, what
ma'am,
was
pieces of glass.
Yeah, she was soldering pieces of glass. Can a God-given lineage ever be broken? These words were spoken by Mukesh, Mukesh's grandfather, Mukesh's grandmother, or the author.
Ma'am, grandmother.
Grandmother, right. Mukesh's father is a car driver, bangle maker, cracker maker, or mechanic.
Bangle maker.
Bangle maker.
Bangle maker.
Mukesh's house is covered with stones, bricks, tiles, or thatch. Mukesh's
Ma'am,
house
please
is
repeat.
Mukesh's house is covered with stones, bricks, tiles, or thatch.
Ma'am, last one. D.
Thatch one, okay. सूखी घास फूस ये सब डाली थी ना on the top. The families of the bangle makers live in comfortable environment. Okay, big houses, very small houses, and factory. Why Khushi is sending me the message. Families of the bangle makers live in comfortable environment, big houses, small houses, or factories.
Factories.
Ma'am, factories.
Okay, fine. What did Mukesh want to become on growing up? A motor mechanic, shopkeeper, bangle maker, carpenter?
Motor mechanic.
Motor mechanic.
Motor mechanic.
Motor mechanic. Sahib did not like to work in the tea stall because he was getting only rupees 800. He hated the steel canister. He was no longer his own master, or he had to carry heavy bags now.
Option C.
Option
Yes,
C.
he was no longer his own master. Garbage to the rag pickers is money, daily bread, a roof over their heads, gold or silver. Garbage to
Ma'am,
the
option.
rag pickers.
Gold or silver.
No. Garbage to the rag pickers is money, daily bread, a roof over their heads. Okay, क्या है उनकी रोजी रोटी है, उनके सिर के ऊपर छत है. गार्बेज क्यों?
Yes,
उसी
ma'am.
से अर्न करते हैं, है ना, और उसकी वजह से वो खाना खा पाते हैं और रह सकते हैं. ठीक है, अंडर अ रूफ. For the rag pickers, food is more important than Clothes, shoes, identity, or shelter?
Identity.
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 The squatters in Simapuri arrived as refugees from Bangladesh in 1965, 1971, 1982, or 1986.
Ma'am, 1971.
Yes, 71, right. The author visited the town and temple of Udupi after 10 years, 5 years, 30 years, or 15 years.
30 years.
30.
30 years.
Okay, so
Yes,
we
ma'am,
have
30
done
years.
15. We had already done 15 MCQs of it. Remaining, we'll do it tomorrow. Right, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
God bless
you,
you
ma'am.
all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
Thank you.
Take care. Keep on revising the chapters. God bless you.